What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be talking about fitness and tech. Does it go together? As an advocate person of fitness, I'm going to say that it does go together. And I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why. If you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to build muscle, you just overall feel better. The biggest thing that I've learned working out is that besides the physical aspect of it, there's definitely a mental aspect of it as well. So say, for example, you had a really, really long day, like grinding, you feel fatigued, you really don't want to go outside, you don't want to take a walk, you don't want to do anything. You make that effort to just go for a walk and just get some sunlight, or just go to the gym and just work out, all of that goes out the window. It helps you relax from the day. If you are stressed about something, if you had a long day trying to figure out a particular problem, especially as a full stack developer, you're constantly using your brain to solve problems. I think adding the gym as part of your routine will definitely be a game changer for you in terms of your problem solving skills, how you go about attacking problems, and then how you go about writing your code better. Usually you could just ask someone and they could point it out pretty easily if you explain exactly what problem you're trying to solve in your code. But because you took the effort of going to the gym and getting a workout in, is going to change the way you think and the way you feel. The third thing is that it creates a disciplined mindset. Once you start a habit of setting time blocks or working out, just changing the overall flow of your day, you're gonna notice that this is gonna be a night and day difference. It's something that is very, very commendable because it's hard. It's hard to go into the gym and, trying to work out, as a beginner, for sure. You could work with a personal trainer and they're gonna get you to a certain point to where you could work out on your own. Going to the gym and setting up your schedule, creating a schedule for your day, that changes your mindset. That creates discipline. Once you have that mindset and discipline set, there's nothing that you can't achieve. It gets you so much further than someone that hasn't done anything. So if you look at it from that perspective, you're gonna continue to love the process and love doing the hard things, because going to the gym and sitting at a computer all day and then just trying something new is hard. It's hard to get started. People start going to the gym and then they fall off, right? Either they don't have the time, or it could be that they're intimidated by the gym. You could go to Planet Fitness for only $10 a month. It's not like any traditional gym where you could just slam the weights and you got people taking their shirts off and all that stuff and flexing. It's pretty laid back and chill. So you have options, but just starting something that you want to do that day, or planning it out to when you're going to start and following through, pays so much more dividends than not doing anything. The gym helps you with your confidence and the overall outlook of yourself. So if you're someone that started working out for a month or two and you start to see results, that's going to change the way you feel. Now, there's times where you could lose a lot of weight and you can still have that insecurity of the feelings that you had when you were at a particular weight, or when you changed the way you look. You're going to have those insecurities. Everybody has them. The biggest thing is overcoming that and putting yourself into, situations where you're exposed to that daily, to where it's nothing to you anymore. The biggest thing here for me is actually starting this channel. I wanted to get better at public speaking. And the way to do it was to start talking in front of a camera, right? And make sure that I'm actually teaching as opposed to just talking, right? Changing the way I speak. So that has built a lot of confidence in me to do this. And it was something that I wanted to do, years prior. And I never really had the chance to do it. And now I'm doing it. So just starting and doing something that's completely hard and getting out of your comfort zone is definitely going to help you get better. The last thing is you maintain focus a lot more when you work out. You're not as sluggish. I mean, if it's hard to get started, just look up different workouts, right? Go to Google, go to ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT for like a 3-day workout plan, right? Depending on what your goals are, and it will give you a 3-day template workout plan that you could follow. If you don't want to go to the gym just yet, you just want to walk around the block in your neighborhood, you could just do home workouts, right? You could do the same thing, just research that. You could also use resistance bands that you could get off of Amazon.com. And I'll have a link in the description for that. And I've used this back in 2020 during the pandemic. You could look into other alternatives, give it a try. If there's something that's not for you, at least get outside and walk. Do something active. All right? And that's it, guys. That's the video. I really want to hear from you guys. Has fitness really helped with your overall performance working in tech? Is it something that you really care about? Is it something that you don't care about? I just want to hear from you guys. If there's anything that you guys want me to talk about, obviously put it in the comments, or you can send me an email directly. You can look for that on my channel. Also, I would like you guys to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate everybody that tuned in today, and I'll see you soon.